kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me.
I, Ferdinand Topacio,
Having been appointed as the
having been appointed as the
National Deputy Spokesperson
National Deputy Spokesperson
of the Partido Democrático Filipino,
of the Partido Democrático Pilipino,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
do solemnly swear to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
and of the party,
and of the party,
to keep faith and put into practice
to keep faith and put into practice
the five basic principles of PDP
the 5 basic principles of PDP
and the basic objective of federalism.
and the basic objective of federalism,
To perform my duties to the best of my abilities
to perform my duties to the best of my abilities
and capabilities
and capabilities
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party
and advancing the interests of community
and advancing the interests of the community
to which it is dedicated,
to which it is dedicated,
and to conduct myself in a manner
and to conduct myself in a manner
befitting a good and true PDP,
befitting a good and true PDP,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or
And-
purpose of evasion.
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Mabuhay si Atty. Topacio!
Ito, hindi
Parang
nag-uubad ng
naiiyak
pin,
si Atty.
hindi nag-uubad ng uniform.
Hindi nag-uubad ng
Huwag pa
uniform.
nun.
Ngayon,
Kita
pin
ninyo,
na.
siya pa nagbibigay sa atin.
Tutusok daw yan, Tony.
Siya pa rin nagbibigay sa atin.
Parang sa pulis.
Ito na, mga
Salamat po, Chairman.
Babo ni Atty. oh.
Siyempre. Senator yan.
Yes!
Picture tayo dito.
Kayo muna,
Kamay muna kayo.
Kamay,
Okay,
kaya mo
picture.
ng dalawa. Teka,
Sa
kaya mo
media,
ng dalawa.
Sa
Yung
sobrang
kamay wala pa.
Yan. Kaya mo na.
Okay, media, picture. Dalawa ko lang kayo. Okay. Harap po. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, with the PDP officers po.
Tapos natin, para senador na to.
PDP officers po.
With the officers.
Alis mo.
Napapakalat ako sa lupa eh.
Okay, picture.
Pampa na yan.
Parang pag yun gumanong ko, umagat ako eh.
Okay, picture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Harap po sa kaliwa, banda dito para lahat nakatingin. Thank you.
One more, ganyan,
Ito
ganyan.
naman.
Kada.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Salamat po. Thank you, media. Salamat.